Pole dancing makes me feel confident and strong, sexy, sensual, all of it.
Eda Marbury is turning her life around, one spin on the pole at a time.
So just whatever?
Just 2 years ago, she couldn't bear to look in the mirror, but now she's an internet sensation, inspiring thousands around the world.
I wanted to put my story out there and put my videos out there for other people to see and to try to gain inspiration from and to realize that they're not alone and that there's a community for them. Growing up, my relationship with my body wasn't very healthy because I was anorexic from 7th grade all the way till college. I just didn't eat, and then I would prepare food and pretend like I was going to eat it and then convince myself that I was sick, and then I just wouldn't eat any of it.
After meeting her husband Tarek in college, Eda began to eat again, but her relationship with food spiraled out of control. She soon weighed 330 pounds and her confidence plummeted.
I was a very closed-off person, and I didn't really discuss a lot of the issues that was going on in my life. I was in denial about my weight because I just refused to believe that I had gained that much weight. That mindset prevented me from doing a lot of things, like going to concerts with Tarek or like going to baseball games. I just didn't want to go anywhere around people.
It was then Eda decided she needed to turn her life around and began pole dancing. After just a few weeks, she was hooked, and so far she has lost 65 pounds.
I was afraid at first of people laughing at me and making fun of me because I didn't want people to discourage me. But once I started going and the weight fell off, I felt more confident about what I was doing and that it didn't matter what people were going to say.
When she first started pole dancing, I told her, great, go ahead and do it, because I wanted you to get out and get active. From the first day, she's always enjoyed it. She always has fun, and now she actually has a really big group of friends that she always enjoys to go work out with.
Since Eda started pole dancing, I've noticed that she's a lot more confident, and then she's also just a lot of fun to be around in general.
It's just really been amazing to see her grow. We've seen her physical changes, we've seen the emotional changes, I've seen just her personality change. She was always an outgoing and fun girl, but now she just really is living life to the fullest.
It's changed me in my everyday life, in my marriage, in my job. I'm a lot more confident, I'm happier. I love the way I look in the mirror more often, I take more time on myself, and I don't say no to a lot of things anymore.
And when Eda decided to share her dancing on Facebook, nothing could have prepared her for the reaction.
Some of the negativity I've received was that I am unhealthy and that I should lose weight before I start posting videos and that I don't love myself. Somebody told me I should commit suicide. Here's a good one. Great, every time I hear this song, now I think of this ghastly attention-seeking video and your talentless fat butt doing nothing of any use or skill around a pole that's barely stable in a hideously decorated room. What exactly are you trying to prove?
There's people that just read on your videos.
People
just talk.
However, the majority of comments have been supportive.
I've gotten an overwhelming amount of messages from people telling me their story, as well as people pouring in, commenting on my video, telling me, you know, that they're really happy that I'm doing this and that this is what they needed to get their boost up. People are actually looking at me and saying, holy crap, I want to be like this girl, and they don't even realize how inspiring they are themselves to someone like me.